Hello everyone. Life changing benefits of some yogasanas which you cannot ignore. Okay, let's start. Number 1, Surya Namaskar. It's a combination of 12 yoga poses. Helps to lose that extra fat around the belly. One can alone burn 417 calories. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar helps women regulate irregular menstrual cycles and assist in childbirth. Further, it helps in bringing a glow to the face and also prevent wrinkles. It's also called prayer pose. Sukhasana. Sukhasana eliminates stress and anxiety, induces calmness of mind, improves blood circulation in your hips, legs, spine, back and pelvis area, and helps digestive organs immensely. If you struggle while sitting in difficult meditative yoga poses or experience discomfort, then easy pose is the best meditative pose for you. Sukhasana is the simplest meditative posture and hence known as easy pose. It is an excellent pose for beginners and for those who have a very stiff body. It makes our back muscle strong and prevents any kind of backache or impending back disease. The Sanskrit name Sukhasana is derived from two words. Sukh, feeling of joy, pleasure or happiness. Asana, posture or comfortable seat. Vajrasana. Vajrasana is one of the easiest yogasana to perform. It stimulates the Vajra Nadi, which facilitates digestion and helps relieve constipation and strengthens lower back, legs and thighs. Vajrasana is one pose to solve all your tummy troubles. Balasana, also known as child's pose. Balasana releases tensions in the back, shoulders and chest. It's highly recommended if you have dizziness or fatigue problems. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, flexes the body's internal organs, lengthens and stretches the spine, relieves neck and lower back pain, gently stretches the hips, thighs and ankles, normalizes circulation throughout the body, calms the mind and body, encourages strong and steady breathing. Padahastasana, hand to foot pose. Padahastasana massages the digestive organs, improves the metabolism, improves concentration, helps with nasal and throat diseases, improves spinal nerves and stimulated and toned. This asana should not be practiced by people suffering from serious back complaints such as sciatica and people with heart diseases, high blood pressure or abdominal hernia. It is also not advised for pregnant women during the second or third trimester. Tadasana, a very simple yoga pose which is regarded as the mother of asanas. Tadasana sets the tone for the other poses to follow. It serves as a neutral pose between other standing poses. The Tadasana helps to create space within the body and allows the internal organs to work more efficiently and improves the respiratory system, digestive system and blood circulation, concentration and increased strength for knees, thighs and ankles, greater flexibility of the spine, relief from sciatica, as well as an overall increase in energy. It's also known as mountain pose. Trikonasana, also known as extended triangle pose. Sanskrit name Utthita Trikonasana. Stretches and strengthens the thighs, knees and ankles, stretches the hips, hamstrings and calves, shoulders, chest and spine, stimulates the abdominal organs, helps release stress, improves digestion, relieves backache especially through second trimester of pregnancy. Therapeutic for anxiety, flat feet, infertility, neck pain, osteoporosis and sciatica. If you're doing this, stay in this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Kapalabhati Pranayama. Kapal means forehead, Bhati means shining, Pranayama, breathing technique. It's a very powerful breathing exercise that not just helps you lose weight but also brings your entire system into a perfect balance. Yes, this asana is also known as skull shining breathing technique. When you do this pranayama, 80% of the toxins in our body are released through the outgoing breath. The regular practice of Kapalbhati pranayama detoxifies all the systems in our body. And the obvious sign of a healthy body is a shining forehead. It increases the metabolic rate and aids in weight loss, clears the nadis, subtle energy channels, stimulates abdominal organs, and thus is extremely useful for those with diabetes. Improves blood circulation and adds radiance to the face. Improves digestive tract functioning, absorption, and assimilation of nutrients. Results in a taut and trimmer down belly. The nervous system and rejuvenates brain cells. Calms and uplifts the mind. Caution: avoid practicing this breathing technique if you have an artificial pacemaker or stent, who suffers with epilepsy, hernia, backache due to slip disc, or have recently undergone abdominal surgeries. Women should not practice skull shining breathing technique during and shortly after pregnancy, as well as during menstruation, as it involves vigorous abdominal squeezes. People with hypertension and heart problems should practice this breathing technique only under a yoga expert's guidance. Pranayama, a forehead that glows not just from outside, but also an intellect that becomes sharp and refined. Yoga is the perfect opportunity to be curious about who you are. Hope you'll enjoy this. Thank you.